Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is October 26th when I'm recording this, and I know we have a bit of a move up in the market, and it can carry for a little while. You know, we've got a lot of stuff happening. We've got a lot of earnings going on right now. We have GDP coming out. We have the FOMC with interest rate raises. And then we have the elections, and then we have CPI on the 10th. So we got a lot of stuff coming up that's probably going to create a whole lot of bumpiness in the market. Yes, the market and some names have been up this week and starting last week on Friday. So we've got that. And yeah, some names are reacting positively to it. I think the talk and the conversation is Fed pivot or Fed lightning, whatever you want to call it or just ascribe it to, fine. But I first think right here at the daily 50, that's going to be some resistance. So I want to see the market kind of pull back and see if it can find some support. And if it can, then maybe we can get a move up over the daily 50. I don't have high expectations. I think we can get a move. I don't think it's going to be wild or crazy or anything else like that. So one day at a time, one piece at a time. Then we have to think Tesla. Tesla came out of the earnings and went down. Now, granted, it's up for now. Sure, you know, oversold rally, a little bit of a bounce bump. But does this look like a healthy chart? It does not to me. It just looks like it got oversold and now it's resting or probably doing some sort of bear flag until it eventually goes lower. How about Microsoft? We had earnings with it. And what did it do? Big drop. Okay, so does this look like anything that is going to be bullish? It ran up into the underside of a downtrending daily 50, just like the SPY. What about Google? Doing the same thing. It ran up into the underside of a downtrending daily 50. It got hit on earnings. Things are not looking good. Meta just came out, and I'll have to put on the overnight, and you can see it just went lower. So, you know, maybe we could say it got rejected by the underside of the hourly 200, but now it's 113. It's like it's way down here. So I think all the big names are showing serious weakness on earnings, and we've got more earnings to go. We got Apple and all that stuff. In fact, and if we look at Apple and what we have coming up, what is Apple doing? Apple is right at the underside of its daily 50. Now, anything can happen on earnings, but I would venture to say that we're seeing a lot of these names come up to the underside of their daily 50s and running into some resistance. So For as much as the Fed has come out and kind of messaged that they are thinking about reducing the rate of increases for interest rates, and that kind of got the market going a bit, I think we need to realize that generally speaking, we are still in a downtrend and we're still in a bear market, and this is just yet another bounce in a downtrend. So take that how you want. Be careful out there and make sure you're on the right side of the trade. And if you are going to be trading to the long side, just be nimble. All right, thanks everyone. Catch you in the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.